The common mugwort is an intriguing plant whose aroma has both spiritual and practical applications. The fragrance not only works as a mild insect repellent, but also makes for great incense. In Nepalese temples, this plant is used as an offering to various gods. Common mugwort is native to Eurasia and northern Africa and is cultivated as an ornamental and aromatic herb. With gentle leaves resembling an intricate filigree work, these species adorn many herbaceous borders and gardens. Their silvery gray color with pale undersides provides a very aesthetic contrast, intensifying the color of neighboring foliage and flowers. Common mugwort gets its name due to it being the most common species in the Artemisia genus, whose plants are named mugwort. The name mugwort is derived from midge and wort, which translates to mosquito-repelling grass. Common mugwort has been widely introduced and has naturalized in almost every continent. Due to its vigorous spread, adaptability, and disease resistance, it can quickly outcompete other plants and inhibit their growth. It spreads via rhizomes, which makes it quite difficult to control. It is also mildly toxic to humans and animals when either touched or ingested, so be cautious when working with this plant. If you still wish to grow common mugwort, it is easy to cultivate. It is very hardy, grows best in full sun, and thrives in most soils. While the seedlings need regular water, mature plants are drought tolerant. Just be cautious. What makes common mugwort easy to grow is also what makes it weedy. Research its impacts in your area before planting.